Good day, grade 7 learners. This is Supermom Z, and welcome to Sci Amazing Learning Videos. Last time, we were able to explain the color and intensity of light in terms of wave characteristics. Today, we will talk about heat. Most essential learning competency. The learners should be able to infer the conditions necessary for heat transfer to occur. Hello, summer! During this time of the year, we dream of going on vacations and eat our cool halo-halo, right? What we are feeling right now is related to our lesson today, which is heat. Heat is a form of energy. It refers to thermal energy in transit. Thermal energy is an energy caused by the movement of particles. In transit means that the energy is being transferred. Heat stops to be heat when the transfer stops. After the energy is transferred, say to another object, it may again become thermal energy or may be transformed to other forms. One condition of heat transfer is that there must be a difference in temperature. Temperature is the hotness or coldness of an object. Consider this example. Heat travels to the rod, and as you can see, heat travels from hot to cold. This transfer of heat aims to achieve equilibrium, or a state where temperatures balance out. Temperature can be measured by using thermometers. Here, you can see different kinds of thermometers from clinical to kitchen to industrial thermometers. Let's move on to the kinds of heat transfer: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction takes place between objects that are in contact with each other. The energy from the object of higher temperature is transferred to the other object. In this example, how is heat transferred? Yes, heat is transferred from the pan's handle to the hand which is in contact with the handle. This table shows the thermal conductivities of common materials. Silver, copper, gold, and aluminum, which are metals, have high thermal conductivities, meaning they are good conductors of heat, or that heat can easily flow through them. On the other hand, materials such as ice, glass, concrete, water, and others have low thermal conductivities. In other words, they are poor conductors of heat, or we call them insulators. No wonder we use pot holders made of fabric to act as insulator to prevent our hand from being burned by the conductor, which is the metal pan or pot. Amazing! Another kind of heat transfer is convection, which occurs in fluids. Always remember, hot fluids go up while cold fluids go down. The warmer parts of a liquid or gas move up while the cooler parts move down, creating some sort of a current. Convection can be seen in boiling water and moving air or wind. Lastly, we have radiation. It is a transfer of energy in the form of electromagnetic waves. Previously, we learned that electromagnetic waves do not need a medium to flow. In this example, radiation waves cause the marshmallow to get that perfect shade of golden brown. So those are the three kinds of heat transfer. Do you understand them all? Nice! Since it's summertime, heat stroke can be a common occurrence, but you can prevent it by doing the following. Have a cold shower. Avoid wearing silk or dark clothes. Drink more water. Limit outdoor activities. And wear protection. Now, to check if you really understand the lesson, let us evaluate your learning. It's evaluation time. I know this will be easy for you. First, all of the statements are true about heat except A. It is thermal energy in transit. B. It requires difference in temperature to transfer. C. It moves from hot to cold. D. It can be transferred only when objects are in contact. Right. Letter D is not true about heat. Heat can be transferred with or without objects being in contact. Remember radiation? It refers to transfer of heat via electromagnetic waves. Let's proceed. Which kind of heat transfer is this? Good. Warming of the Earth by the sun involves radiation as electromagnetic waves. How about this one? Correct. Conduction. The heat from the rod is transferred to the hand, which is in contact to the rod. How about this one? Right. Convection. As air is cooled by the air conditioner, it becomes denser or heavier. Then it sinks. Warmer air, on the other hand, goes up. Wow, you're doing great! Here is a more challenging task. As we know, heat transfer is evident everywhere. Look at this illustration. It depicts several situations that involve heat transfer. Your task is to identify examples of situations that involve the different methods of heat transfer. You have 20 seconds to do so. Are you ready? Go! Five, four, three, two, one. Here are the situations that involve different methods of heat transfer. Did you get most of them? Yay! Wonderful! And that's all for our lesson today on heat. I hope you are able to understand the conditions necessary for heat transfer to occur and the different kinds of heat transfer. Thank you for watching this Amazing episode. See you again next time. Bye!